Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will go here to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your